Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online computer class. Today, we are going to revise delete key and backspace key and solve textual exercises based on lesson number 4, computer keyboard. Let's start.
Children, while writing in your notebook, when you make mistakes, you rub it with the eraser. Am I right? But on the computer, we cannot use eraser. Two keys, backspace key and delete key, acts as an eraser. These two keys, backspace key and delete key, are used to rub the mistakes we do while typing. Now, children, let us first consider the backspace key. Children, this is a backspace key. There is only one backspace key on the keyboard. The backspace key is used to erase or rub on the left side of the cursor. Now, let us consider the delete key. Children, these are delete keys. There are two delete keys on the keyboard. The delete key is used to erase or rub on the right side of the cursor.
Now, let us consider text-based exercises on page number 43. See, some statements are given. Write T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. First one, there are 3 enter keys on the keyboard. Answer is false. Since there are only 2 enter keys on the keyboard. Second one, space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. The statement is true. Out of all the keys on the keyboard, space bar is the longest key. Third one, there is only one set of number keys. The statement is false. Since there are 2 sets of number keys. One set is at the top of the keyboard and another set is at the right side of the keyboard. Fourth one, space bar is used to move to the next line. The statement is false. Since space bar is used to insert blank spaces between 2 words or letters, whereas enter key is used to move to the next line. Fifth one, the backspace key erases anything typed on the left side of the cursor. The statement is true. Yes, backspace key is used to rub on the left side, whereas the delete key is used to rub on the right side of the cursor. So the statement is true. Now, exercise D. Fill in the blanks. First one, number keys are also called as numeric keys. Second one, the dash key erases anything typed on the left side of the cursor. Answer is backspace. Remember children, backspace key erases anything on the left side of the cursor, whereas delete key erases anything typed on the right side of the cursor. Third one, the spacebar key is the dash key on the keyboard. Do you remember children? Spacebar is the longest key on the keyboard. Fourth one, we can move to the next line using dash key. Answer is using enter key. Fifth one, the dash key erases anything typed on the right side of the cursor. The delete key erases anything typed on the right side of the cursor. Now over to exercise E. Some keys are colored blue. There you have to write the missing letters and numbers in the given keyboard. See children, the keyboard given at the bottom. Compare it with the keyboard given at the top and fill in the missing letters and numbers. This is 1, this is 3, this is 9, this Q, R, U, D, X and M. Now, finally, exercise F on page number 44. Identify the last key pressed in each of the following. Here, C is pressed. Here, O. Then, M is pressed. After that, P is pressed. Then, U. Then, T is pressed. Then, Y is pressed. Here, we see that Y is removed now. And Y was on the left side of the cursor. So to remove Y, we pressed backspace key. Then E is pressed. Then R. Then we can see that the cursor has moved on the next line. Means enter key is pressed. And then at last C is pressed. Today we revised backspace key and delete key. These keys are used to erase or rub the mistakes we do while typing on the keyboard. We also solved textual exercises based on lesson number 4 computer keyboard. Hope to meet you in next online computer class. Thank you. Take care.